Welcome. I'm Ted Anderson, Managing Director of Kilgore & Kilgore. Our law firm is a boutique law firm practice with a rich legacy of providing legal services to clients in Texas and New York. Although we are one of the oldest law firms in Dallas, we are on the cutting edge. We have been described as innovative, nimble, and feisty. We think outside the box. We are a small group of lawyers practicing employment and business law, securities fraud, and intellectual property law, serving executives, investors, and inventors. Kilgore is a unique litigation boutique with a personal, flexible approach to how we fight for our clients with creative solutions to their legal issues. Welcome to our website.